Kabayan, sana maisip mo na sa bawat taon na pinapalipas mo na di ka nag-iipon, mga taon na sinayang mo. Na magigising ka na lang at mapapaisip na matanda ka na, mahina ka na kumita at walang aasahang tulong sa iyo. Kahit gaano pa kadami ang natulungan mo nung malakas ka pa kumita. In IMG, there's still hope. Surround yourself with positive investor people. We in IMG, we care for you para maturuan kang mag-ipon ng tama, pahalagaan ang pera mong pinaghihirapan. Save and invest for your better future. Tandaan na kapag may ipon ka, ikaw ang hero ng pamilya mo. You don't need it today or tomorrow, but in the future, it is a big help for you. Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free financial coaching on how to save and invest the right way and how to be part of IMG community.